Hey health enthusiasts, welcome to day 44 of our 60-day health transformation journey. Today we're focusing on enhancing core strength for better stability. A strong core is essential for overall fitness. It improves balance, stability, and posture, and it helps prevent injuries. Let's look at some effective exercises to strengthen your core. First up, bicycle crunches. Lie on your back, lift your legs, and alternate bringing your elbow to the opposite knee. This exercise targets your upper and lower abs as well as your obliques. Next, the plank. Start in a push-up position but rest on your forearms instead of your hands. Keep your body straight from head to heels and hold for as long as you can. Planks engage your entire core. Russian twists are great for your obliques. Sit on the floor, lean back slightly and twist your torso from side to side, holding a weight or medicine ball. Keep your movements controlled for maximum benefit. Leg raises target the lower abs. Lie on your back with your legs straight. Lift them to a 90-degree angle, then slowly lower them back down without touching the floor. This exercise builds lower abdominal strength. Incorporating these exercises into your routine will help you build a stronger core and improve your overall stability. Aim to do core workouts 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. Thanks for joining me on day 44. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video where we'll discuss the benefits of proper hydration. Strengthen your core and stay healthy.